What's up, guys? This is Pastor Kana again. We're coming up with another tutorial in JavaScript. We're going to be continue talking about more objects. So let's start. We're going to be creating our own objects right now using the object literal, which is a variable. We're going to give it a variable name, bar. We're going to do a die, and then this is going to be empty for now. And then we finish with the semicolon. We're going to be using a property name. We're going to be using a size, 4, comma. We'll be using a count. We'll be using a 1. And then we're going to be using a function inside this object. So we're going to have a function. And open the brackets, and we have a bar result equals to, we get a mat sale, and then we'll be using inside a die size times mat random. Parentheses, close that, and then we'll be return result. Okay, semicolon. So we're going to be passing right here the die size, and then outside of all of these objects, we're going to use our so we can print the result on the web browser. We're going to use our ID that we already have it, document get element by ID, parentheses, what is our demo, in HTML, want to use, so let's call it, how do we access this? So we're going to be using a die that row, parentheses, and we're going to give it like a value of 6 because that's a default value right here, because we want to just run it from 1 to 6, no more than that. Okay, let's save that and let's do it. 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 1. See, it's working. It's giving all the numbers from 1 to 6. Cool beans. Nice. So now let's change it a little bit more. Let's just use the let's talk about a little bit more, a different example. So when we're using a function definition, we're going to be using a little bit of the keyword this. Okay. Okay. So let's change this a little bit. Okay, let's give it right here the value 6. Let's change over here to total roles. So this we're going to give it a 0. It's going to start at 0. And then let's get rid of the die size parameter right here. And then right here we're going to be using the this. This is just a keyword. The actually, in order to access all of these proper names, you gotta use this. In JavaScript, it's already recognized it, so it should be good to use it. That size. Okay, it's going to be calling this number 6 right here. Then we're going to be, we want to keep track of the dice, like, you know, how many times is going to be doing it. For example, how do we keep track of that? We're going to use a total roles equals to 1. Okay, and semicolon, We're going to be using this right here. Okay, so we should be good in there so far. And then right here we're going to be calling the dice. How many times you want to do it? So let's just do 3 times. I already have my ID right here, so let's copy all of this for now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so right here we want to do the die roll. Let's not pass any parameters, any values in there. And right here we're going to be using the total. The total rows. Let's concatenate this. We're going to be using the die row, total rows. Okay, so that should be good. But right here, hold on a second, let me do this. Let's go to with the size, die size equals 10. So let's do that. Total is 3. Oh yeah, let's change this. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay, so what is giving me, we give it a value of 10, so it's going to be running as a random numbers. It's going to be running 3 times, 3 different times from 1 to 10. And then right here is the total of times that you're doing it. So there's only 3 times. We did demo 2, demo 3, 3, 9, 10. Like, you know, it's going to be giving us the values from 1 to 10. If I get rid of one of this total rows, it will change. Total 2. Okay, and you can change as many as you wanted. You can add more right here, whatever you want to do. You can just do 20 right here. Excuse me. See? You can add more right here, like, you know, whatever you want to do. You know, well, that was a little bit more examples of how to use objects. Thank you very much for checking the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, if you have any questions, just write it down in the comments. So okay, we need more subscribers, please. Let's get to more subscribers. Share the video, tell your friends. Yeah, hopefully this JavaScript is helping you out with these tutorials. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.